regular ruler can measure your single strand of hair? No, it cannot, because a ruler can only measure up to 1 mm or 0.1 centimeters. But today I am going to explain an instrument which is going to measure up to 0.0 mm. So that is called screw gauge. And what is a screw gauge? A screw gauge is used to measure the thickness of a single strand of hair, a thin glass plate, and diameter of a thin wire or a small sphere. So here the screw gauge will look like this. And screw gauge looks like this. And this is called the stud. And this is called screw. And this is called U-frame. And this is called pitch scale. This is called head scale. And on which the pitch scale is present is called sleeve. And the line passes like this. This is called index line. And this is called ratchet. And here, like this, the measurements will be. And this is pitch scale. And if they ask a question on which part of the screw gauge the pitch scale is present, we should write its sleeve. So let's go to deep into the screw gauge and let's know about the functions of these parts. And this screw gauge works on the nut or the screw and the stud. See, if assume that this is a small sphere, and here if I rotate, this screw moves up to here till it fixes to here like this, and here the head scale will rotate and it will give some measurement. So like this we use the screw gauge. And now let's know what is the uses of these parts. Ratchet. Here it is the ratchet. So it is used to rotate the screw by turning it so that the object held between the stud and screw and the spindle of the screw, and it is tied to fix it tightly. We have seen vernier calipers. There we have locking screw, and here if we rotate this and this screw moves. See, if I rotate like this, and this full body rotates in the direction in which I move the ratchet, and the screw comes forward like this and fixes to the object. And let's go to the sleeve. This is the sleeve. This part is known as sleeve. So this sleeve is to mark the main scale and the baseline. Baseline is nothing but index line. So index line or baseline are same. So here, and we'll go to the thimble. This is called thimble. The thimble is used to circular to mark the circular scale. This is full known as circular scale. What is mean by circular scale? Circular scale is nothing but head scale. So head scale is nothing but circular scale. Both are one. So then let's go to main scale. This is pitch. Pitch is nothing but main. I explained all these in the vernier calipers. Please watch it too. So here this is called pitch scale or main scale. What is the use of main scale? To read length correct up to 1 mm. Remember that pitch or main scale can only read up to 1 mm. But here circular scale helps us to read length correct up to 0.01 mm. Not centimeters, it's mm. Now I will explain the formulas of screw gauge in another video. Thank you for watching this.